To achieve a high score in Block Blast, a puzzle game that requires strategic thinking and quick reflexes, focus on a few key strategies. First, aim to clear larger groups of blocks at once. The more blocks you eliminate in a single move, the higher your score will be. Try to plan your moves ahead of time, looking for opportunities to match multiple blocks and creating chain reactions. Another helpful tactic is to prioritize clearing the blocks at the bottom of the screen first. So, by doing this, you create space for the new blocks to fall into, which can lead to additional opportunities for matching larger groups. It's also important to be mindful of the types of blocks available for matching. Some blocks may be rarer than others, and clearing them can yield more points to unlock they're going to unlock power ups. So, using power ups wisely can also give you an edge, saving them for moments when you're stuck or when there's no good moves left. So, these can help you clear larger areas and keep the game processing smoothly. Finally, practice is key. The more you play, the better you're going to get at spotting patterns and making quicker, more efficient moves. With time and focus, you'll be able to consistently achieve high scores in Block Blast. Let me know if this helped.